Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. And in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Genshin Impact on your PC. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in Genshin Impact and hit the enter and click on the first link that is appeared on your screen. Now you will be taken to the official website of Genshin. So as you can see the download option right there, simply tap on the download option in order to download it on your PC. So once you do that, you will have to register. So simply write down your email, verification code and a password. Once you do that, click on register. Upon registering on Genshin Impact, it will start downloading on your PC. So that's how easily you can download Genshin Impact on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.